Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Foluke Blessing, a 300 level student of Economics Department, University of Lagos, and I'll be taking us on a course titled Project Evaluation and Analysis, ECN 345. And this is a course taken by every 300 level student in Economics Department, not only University of Lagos, but in other universities too. So now let us start. What is project? I know we all know and understand what project really is, and this project I'm talking about is not a project done by 400 level students in every, or a final year student in every schools. This project stem from ideas like conceived ideas, conceived thoughts, things we think, things we want to do. But the ideas are the abstract of projects. Without execution, projects cannot come into existence, even if you have the ideas. So project is execution of ideas, following several steps, stages, and even having an expected result from it. So having laid this foundation, then what is project? Project can be seen as the compilation of ideas and execution of these ideas using various steps, stages, and having an expected result at hand. Okay then, so we have various concepts or basic concepts in project evaluation analysis in which we people use interchangeably. It ought not to be. Okay, some of these basic concepts are project planning, project proposal, project analysis, project appraisal, project evaluation and assessment, even project finance and financing, project follow-up, project monitoring, and even project cycle. So now let us start from the beginning. What is project planning? Project planning can be seen as a procedural steps taken to execute a project. And if you want to plan a project, I would advise that it is written down, because if not written down, it is tentative for us to forget these steps we need to follow in executing a project. And then what is project proposal? Project proposal can be seen as a written document that is written down for us to carry out this project, and it has the set time and date and even the steps that needs to be followed in order for us to have a good project. And project proposal is very compulsory because it is needed for financing also. Like if you need an investor to invest in your project, you need to show them this project proposal for them to have a confidence in you that, okay, this project is good, this project has a good background, this project has a proposed or expected result and goal in which even they themselves can benefit from it. And also, I want you to know something, that project has to be weighted also, because you cannot say you want to go into a project just like that. It has to be weighted, and it has to be weighted in finance and also in benefits. When we talk about finance, you have to look at the resources that is needed for us to carry out this project, because without resources, project can never be carried out. So we need resources to carry out this project. And resources like finance can be gotten from investors, can be gotten from outsiders. And so it is this project proposal that we need for us to source this finance. So when it comes to benefits, we have to look at the benefits that we need to derive and also the cost. And we must note that the benefit must be much more than the cost of this project. So now let's go to the third basic concept, which is project analysis. Project analysis has to do with the compilation of tools needed and even the method needed to carry out this project. And this is where we even check the examination. And why do we check the examination of this project? Is for us to judge whether this project has an economic advantage or disadvantages, and whether we can allocate resources to this project. Why? Because the resources we have at hand are scarce and can be used for many things aside from the project that you even have in mind. So it is very, very compulsory for us to do the project proposal. And project plan and proposal, you can see that both of them are likely the same. But I want us to note that project planning is just a subset of project proposal, because project proposal has all the planning that is needed for the project to be executed. So now let's go to project appraisal. This is for us to judge or assess the worth of the project, whether we should go on this project or not. That is just the meaning of project proposal. Now, project evaluation and assessment. This is for us to check the target, because we have a targeted goal for this project. We have a proposed or a projected or even an expected results from this project. So we have to evaluate whether we met the target goals or the projected goals with the actual result we got from the project. So this is just project evaluation. Now let's go back to project monitoring. Project monitoring, project needs to be monitored, because every project is expected to have a good result, because we are allocating our scarce resources to this project. So we are expecting a very good result. Even the investors that are investing into your project are also expecting a good result and a return on what they have invested into in your project. So we have to monitor this project in total or in totality. And project monitoring is done when this project is still on. Project monitoring is done when this project is still going on. Now let's move to project follow-up. Project follow-up is also the same thing as project monitoring, but there's a slight difference between project follow-up and project monitoring, because project follow-up means that you have to follow up this project to its final execution, so as to avoid liquidation of this project. Even when you are done with the project, you still need to follow up in order to get the expected results and even the goals or aims and objectives that you expect to get from this project. And now the final one is the project cycle. Project cycle can be seen as the set of activities that is determined to get the sequence of this project. These are the set of activities that is determined to get the sequence of this project. And like I said, that project is in stages and in sequence. We can't just go into project. We have to have stages, we have to have steps, we have to have the order at which this project needs to be executed. In conclusion, this lesson I have put through to us all is very important for students as well as business organization and even government. Why? Because everyone is involved in a project, and even life itself is a project. And for us to project has its inception down to its execution. So for us to go through the project from its inception to the execution, these are the laid down principles and even guidelines that you can follow to execute your project or to have a positive result on every project that you want to embark on. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you have any question, don't forget to comment on the comment section. And don't forget to also like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Sensei YouTube channel, to get various economic concepts or to learn about various economic concepts from me, Foluke. Thank you.